The high transit frequency makes it particularly of interest in microwave. As we have seen, the MESFETs are mainly used in microwave circuits because of low transit time and high frequency operation. And the MESFET based devices are very good for performing superior, providing a superior performance in microwave circuits, in microwave amplifiers or microwave switches. All these MESFET based devices are doing extremely well. So using gallium arsenide offers outstanding advantage in the area in the traditional silicon substrate, especially in the area of high frequency and high speed microwave circuits. So whenever you are going to go for high frequency microwave circuits compared to silicon substrate, gallium arsenide substrate is going to be offering a lot of good features. So you can you can use it for a low noise pre-amplifiers and linear amplifiers, oscillators, mixers, and communication networks due to its outstanding properties like the electron mobility and the cutoff frequency. So since the gate length is very small, the operating frequency becomes higher and higher, and the electron mobility is also high. Okay, so this ensures that the MESFETs are very good candidates for operating in microwave-based circuits. And you know this, all these field effect transistors are unipolar devices. The unipolar means it will depend only on the majority carriers, so the noise is also going to be very less. So these circuits are going to uh, um, have very less noise because they are unipolar devices, and that is why you see they are used in low noise preamplifiers. So when your system is there in an extremely noisy condition, these devices will not add extra noise, and they will help in carefully fabricating the device, carefully working as a low noise amplifier. Okay, so that is even in noisy environments, their performance can be guaranteed because they don't add any noise from themselves because they are unipolar devices.